Hello everyone! Welcome to Voices for Change. Today we're gonna discuss a topic, but before we start our topic today, let me introduce myself and my partners first. My name is Dira.
My name is Atira. My name is Ayu.
Okay, so how are you both doing guys today?
Well, it's pretty raining here, but I'm totally okay. How about you, Ayu?
I'm great, honestly. Super excited. Today's topic is SDGs 5, gender equality. A very simple concept, really just treating everyone equally. Yet somehow still feels like a revolutionary idea for some people. Amazing how basic human decency can be this controversial.
Exactly, Ayu. Gender equality is just about equal right and equal opportunity to everyone. Like us, like a girls or you guys, a man, should be equal. But sometimes people just miss the deadline like 3 years or 14 years ago.
Alright, so just let's break it down guys. So SDGs 4 is focused on achieving gender equality and maybe empowering all women and girls like us, or maybe like you guys watching right now. And that includes many things like ending discrimination, eliminating violence, or maybe get an equal access to education, or healthcare, or something like that.
And here's a fun not a fun fact. Globally, women still earn around 20% less than men for doing the exact same work. Same job, same hours, same stress, different paycheck. Honestly, love that for us. Truly motivational, make you want to work harder for less.
Agree with that one. And let's talk about a leadership position. I agree with Ayu because I see a lot of capable women like us here. It's so complicated to be a leader in some position, but people say that default leader setting is still a male, but you guys is still so to consider the organization here. Maybe their system is a little bit awkward. You guys have to restart all the default.
I totally agree with Atira's statement. And there's another big issue like cultural stereotypes. You know, guys, the classics like girls shouldn't do that, or that's a man's job, you shouldn't do that, like that.
Okay, I'm sorry. Before we continue, it's raining here. Let's go to move to some place.
Okay.
Hello guys, we're back here. I'm so sorry for the delaying because it's raining and we in outside, but here we are inside the Tiang Lala. Thank you Tiang Lala for the play. Okay, are you?
Right. If gender equality had a dollar for every time the sentence we use, we probably wouldn't be talking about a pay gap right now. Also, who decide job have gender? Because the last time I checked, skill don't come with a for men only label.
Yes, I agree with that, and it's same with the colors because colors don't have a label for men only or girl only. And don't even get me started with an unpaid care work. Many women manage a household, cooking, cleaning the whole house, and emotionally support everyone in that zone. But somehow, yeah, people still saying that she's lazy, she's just laying in the bed all day, right? Because because they are just stay at home. Because saying human is clearly easier than sitting in front of a laptop and sending an email. Are you guys some common or what?
Yeah, I agree with her. I feel like there is so much things that unfair to
Yes.
all the girls or women like us, and we must remember that education is not a major challenge. Millions of girls around the world still don't have access to education due to cultural norms or a lack of resources, maybe.
Which is ironic because educating girls literally improve economy, health, and future generation. But sure, let's ignore all the data and continue the cycle. What could possibly go wrong?
Yes, honestly, education is just not about school. It's about freedom, about choices and opportunity to get everything in her life or their life. Because denying girls education is like closing the door before even we're knocking the door and then wondering why inequality keeps regarding itself in every year or in every lifetime.
Okay, so what can we do actually? Governments can enforce equal pay laws, maybe strengthen policies, and protect women's rights. Companies can promote diversity, provide safe work environments, and maybe put more women in leadership roles.
Agree
Not
with that.
just in brochures, right, guys?
Just like to be a model, or you guys saying we in Majala or something like that?
Right, but in a real positions of power.
And we, I mean us, as a normal human, can change stereotypes, speak up when we see inequality, and support education for girls. Because gender equality isn't just a woman issue, it's a human issue. When everyone get equal opportunity, society function better.
Okay, before we wrap up all the topic here today, here's something to think about. What we can do to support gender equality, and no liking one Instagram post about feminism not become you like an activist. You guys should stand up and tell everyone that color has no gender and the opportunity has no gender. There are so many leader position that has no label, men only.
Yeah, I agree with her, and I think our topic today is enough, guys. But remember, guys, a little start is still a start. So just do it. Just do as many as you can to start. Maybe sharing about gender equality. And thank you so much for listening
Thank
to
you so
Voices for
much.
Change. Don't forget to share your insights and start making change from yourself first. Together, we can make a real difference, preferably before this becomes another unfinished group project. So once again, thank you and
Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching all the video here.